go ahead. He was reasoning with me. No, it's old. Why do you want to spend money on it? So I like, a riding mower costs $2,000. Oh no, I mean it's just it's junk. I was like, no, wait. A riding mower costs $2,000. If I give you $500 to fix it, and this works for another year or two, isn't that worthwhile? And he's like, oh, I don't want to work on these old vehicles. Do you see the challenge that we're running here? Where somebody says, well, I want nothing but the highest quality, and I'm going to spend the rest of my life trying to pay for it. Or maybe I make so much money that I can't afford to throw it away on a depreciating asset that's worth $80,000 now, and that's only worth $3,000 15, 20 years from now.